So today we are going to continue attaching our elastic to the swimsuit. Let's work on the neckline this time. Start by placing the elastic on the lining or wrong side of the swimsuit. You will align the elastic seam with the shoulder seam. The elastic and the swimsuit raw edges should be aligned. Sew them together using a zigzag stitch. Fold the neckline to the inside of the swimsuit by 3/8 of an inch and sew in place with a zigzag stitch. Moving on to the legs. Locate the elastic leg marking on your swimsuit and starting at the side seam, pin the elastic to the front of the swimsuit between the marks without stretching it. For the back of the swimsuit, you will be slightly stretching the elastic to fit. The elastic and the swimsuit raw edge should be aligned. So we are going to move on to attaching the elastic to the armhole. First, using the elastic seam as a guide, find the center mark of the elastic. Pin the elastic seam to the shoulder seam, and then pin the center mark that you found earlier to the side seam mark of the swimsuit. Continue to pin the elastic to the rest of the armhole. Now that our leg elastic and our armhole elastics are securely pinned to the swimsuit, we are going to zigzag stitch them in place. Once this is done, we are going to fold it over to the wrong side and stitch with a 3/8 inch stretch stitch.